In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in TradingView. By following along, you'll enhance the security of your TradingView account, providing an additional layer of protection. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the TradingView website. Simply open your web browser and type in TradingView's URL, which is often a one-stop solution for tracking markets in India and globally. Once the page loads, look for your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this profile icon will open a drop-down menu, giving you several options. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on Settings and Billing. This will take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your account, including security settings, a crucial area where you will enable 2FA. Now within this interface, look for the Account Settings option and select it. Upon entering the account settings, you'll notice a few different headings and areas, but focus on the section that deals with security. This is where you'll embark on adding that extra layer of security to your account. Now, search for an option that might be highlighted, indicating it's related to enabling features or security enhancements. Click on this highlighted section to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be prompted with an option that says Get Code. Clicking this is essential as it initiates the process of linking your account to a code-generating application, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. This app will be crucial for generating time-sensitive one-time passwords or OTPs that you'll need each time you log in. Once you've clicked Get Code, you'll be presented with a QR code. If you're using a mobile app like Google Authenticator, simply scan this code. If, for any reason, scanning isn't feasible, there's often an option available to enter a code manually. This code links your TradingView account to your chosen Authenticator app. After setting this up, the next step is key. Enter the 6-digit OTP that your code-generating app provides. This verifies the setup of your 2FA. Go ahead and input the OTP into the TradingView interface to confirm the security enhancement. Finally, a confirmation will indicate that 2FA is successfully enabled, adding crucial security to your account. Before concluding, find and click the Code Generating App option, followed by Enable, to ensure everything is activated correctly. And there you have it. Your TradingView account is now equipped with a robust security measure. Remember, each time you log in, you'll need an OTP from your authentication app, providing peace of mind knowing your account is well protected. Stay secure, and thanks for watching.